When we think of liberal arts, we normally think of the study of language, philosophy, and literature. However, research and innovation in liberal arts extend to many other fields. Our school has been developing and engaging in many studies with high social and academic impact that address the connections between culture and nature.
So humans live together with many different types of species, and they interact in different ways, including communication. And traditionally, humanism has established a distinction between culture, which is supposed to be the domain of interaction between humans, and nature, which is supposed to be the domain of interactions between non-humans. And that has created many problems. It's one of the reasons why we have so many environmental problems. It has also created a separation in university between the natural sciences and the human sciences. And in my work, I'm trying to overcome this distinction, this nature-culture dualism, in order to understand the relationships between humans and non-humans using tools that allow us to go across these boundaries. And one of these tools is semiotics, and my field is ecosemiotics. And I've been trying to work to develop new theoretical models of ecosemiotics. And I started in 2018. I was studying communication between elephants and humans in the village of Ban Ruamit in Chiang Rai. And I conducted an experiment which showed a remarkable level of communication between those species. And later on in 2020, I started to develop a new project which looked at the ways that Korean people, through their traditional oral poetry, hata, how they bring into the culture their relationships with non-humans in their everyday environment. And these two projects are part of a longer-term research project which aims to understand relationships between humans and non-humans using the tools of cultural theory.
Research about the relationship between nature and culture could lead to innovations with a social impact. For example, by enhancing the livelihood of local villagers. The project of humans, bees, and forest, or in Thai, Kon Phung Pa, study how to best manage shared resources, such as bee farms, to create incomes for local people and improve the sustainability and lifelong learning of the community.
In the past 5 years, the School of Liberal Arts has conducted more than 12 projects related to nature and culture. Our projects have been recognized nationally and internationally, and they have contributed to the sustainability of local communities.
School of Liberal Arts, the Center for the Development, Learning of Language and Culture in ASEAN.